Remote cleaning businesses offer amazing freedom, yet it heavily relies on software. You'll need tools to make it feel like you are there next to your customer, next to your cleaners, and today I'll show you the best software to achieve it, 14 to be precise. The software solutions that took me years to find, and later I will break down the cost and share tips that could save you hundreds every single month. All time tested, all cloud-based, and all come with full support, which means all you need is a laptop and a browser and an internet connection to run your cleaning business. How do I know this? When I was stuck in Uzbekistan during COVID-19 for over 3 months, my business ran smoothly thanks to these tools. Set up your systems right and you can manage your business from anywhere, literally anywhere. In this video, we'll cover essential software for client management, including tools for onboarding, e-signatures, scheduling. We'll also discuss software for communication and collaboration, including storage solutions. Additionally, we are going to look into software to keep your books straight, invoice customer, and receive payments, which is why we're all doing this for. Separate software for running your payroll, and crucial software to keep all your passwords safe and sound. And we're going to start talking about productivity, which are the tools and benefits. So let's dive right into Google Workspaces, and that will be Gmail, Docs, and Drive. Gmail provides professional email services to manage business communications efficiently. Google Docs and Drive facilitate collaboration and document management, allowing easy creation, storage, and sharing files. With cloud storage, you can now access important documents from anywhere, ensuring you are always connected. And it integrates with tools such as Zoho CRM and Zoho Books, further boost the productivity. Let's talk about a Keeper, which is a security is crucial for any business, and Keeper helps you keep your password safe. The password manager stores all your passwords in one secure location, generating strong passwords to protect your accounts. Keeper also offers secure file storage and two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. With Keeper, you can now manage your passwords effectively and ensure your business data remains secure. All you have to do is remember one password. And when you create that one password, make sure this is really robust password to create. Let me know if you want me to tap in and talk more about how to create the proper passwords to make sure they are memorable. But imagine the after effects. If somebody hacks into your password and username, if you were using it throughout all of the website, bank accounts, right? Your CRM, your personal data, your IRS accounts, and etc. Imagine the aftermath that it could cost you. So therefore, Keeper is something that is super essential and you don't want to skip or look away to another site. But besides, it's also not too expensive. The next is Google Voice, which offers a reliable phone system for your business. You can make and receive calls, send text, and manage voicemail from one place. Google Voice integrates with Google Workspaces, which makes it now easy to manage all communication. Setting up a professional phone number enhances your credibility, while voicemail transcripts allow you to read messages. And the beauty of it also, you can set up an auto attendant, which means when people call, for example, in my case, they say, "Thank you for calling." Existing customers press 1, new customers press 2. And when you hit 1 or 2, it routes it to wherever you want it to route. And the beauty also, you don't have to do the voiceover anymore. You just text it and pick the voice that you'd like and assign it, and immediately it reads in a human-like voice. And another beauty, because it's a cloud-based, you just use your phone and have an app, and you will see that the separate number is coming in, and you know that's for your business. So you can keep your personal versus business, but also you don't need to have an expensive hardware anymore, like the phones that cost $300-400. You could literally work from anywhere and become remote. After all, this is the intent of this particular video, to teach you the software that you need to run smoothly your business. Let's talk about sales and marketing now. And in here, I will be talking a lot about Zoho. I'm not getting paid for them, although I'm going to drop an affiliate link. And if you do follow that link, you will get free $100 access for Zoho. And now let's talk about sales and marketing, because we know any business which fails to figure out how to attract leads and convert them to customers eventually bleeds out of cash, because the business loses customers every so often, regardless how good you are. And sometimes for things you can't control, customer relocates, customer bankrupts, customer sells the property, whatnot. So therefore, bringing in new customers is a key skill for one of the business owners to know and to master. In here, I will be talking first about the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. And this is Zoho, which is a front end. This is how you manage your client information. This is how you drip them. This is how you bring them back. This is how you create proposals. It is the backbone of managing your clients and leads. The Zoho CRM, in my case, helped me keep track of all our customer interactions in one place. With Zoho CRM, my company, which means also you, should you decide to give it a go, can store client information, track leads, follow up on potential clients. This software ensures you take advantage of every opportunity to close the lead, even if the lead told you it was expensive, or they chose your competition, or they just go MIA, because now you can drip them, which means you can drip email them. You can customize the CRM to fit your cleaning company's specific needs and fields, set reminders, and automate tasks to save time. And this is how we primarily use it. We are a small company which have a big presence, and that's good, right? You want to pay for software which automates the process, which means you now do less manual work, which means you need less labor hours, which means more money into your pocket. Zoho CRM integrates with Zoho apps, making it easy to manage everything from one dashboard. This tool also offers detailed analytics and reports, helping you, the business owner, to understand your sales performance and make informative decisions. Now, when you have somebody who's willing to sign, what do you want to do? Some people go to DocuSign. Sure, it is a solution, but I like Zoho Sign because it is already incorporated into one price and talks to the software. This software allows you to send, sign, and manage contracts digitally. Eliminates the need for printing, scanning, emailing attachments back and forth. You can also send contracts to clients and get them signed in minutes on their phones. Type in whichever way they would like to sign. This will help them to get their signature on that paper, which means your contract. Zoho Sign complies with international e-signature laws, ensuring your contracts are legally binding. It integrates seamlessly with Zoho CRM, so you can send contracts directly from your CRM dashboard, putting all client information directly to reduce errors and save time. And that's what my company does. We get the person into CRM, they go through different stages, we provide the proposals, we send them, we negotiate, we keep the notes, we make the phone calls from there, we record this, and when the customer says, yes man, send me that document, I just go create, like put couple of terms like payment terms, right? Cash on demand, when do we start, when we got the approval, the start date, start time, etc. And then I create the contract, send it to customer, merge, and it's gone, like boom, like that. It's super easy. Zoho Sales IQ is another thing that you can use for your sales and marketing. It helps you engage with your visitors on your website through live chat and visitor tracking, interact with potential clients in real time, understand customer behavior, it helps you to, and tailor your interactions to meet their needs. Zoho Social is something else which simplifies managing social media accounts, now allowing you to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze performance across different platforms. Manage all social media accounts from one place, ensuring your brand stays active and engaging. Although there's also a caveat, it's not all that perfect. It is pretty good though. Meaning, if you want personalized touch, then you want to go to each software, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and upload, or Twitter, right? Upload based on their specific requirements. But if you're lazy like me and you have a content that has value, then just, schedule. You can schedule automation in advance. You don't have to worry about it. You create contact and you say upload to Facebook, Insta, Twitter, TikTok, whatever it is. You just sync it and then it's all managed from one place. As I said, it's not as perfect, but it will work. Email marketing is something else that we want to talk about, and this is Zoho campaigns because that's crucial. And Zoho campaign makes it simple. Create and send email campaigns to clients, and you can get the leads using the drag and drop editor template. Detailed analytics will show you performance, helping you refine your strategy and improve engagements, which means now you can see open ratio, how many landed, how many bounced, how many people clicked, which email addresses clicked, and how many times they came back, all that information there in Zoho campaigns. And the beauty is from Zoho CRM, you get the contacts and then you sync them automatically to Zoho campaigns. And then when people opt out, right? Some people can say, dude, just opt me out. I don't want to be in your email. Then you can find that contact in Zoho, like check marks, which means you don't even have to go to Zoho campaigns. You can find it in Zoho One, uncheck for email solicitations, and that's it. They will stop receiving it. But others who didn't, drip them, right? Don't spam them, but drip them, remind them. Unless you are top of mind, people will forget about you. Another thing that you can use, which I like, is Zoho Forms. I take advantage of it a lot. It makes collecting feedback easy. Create custom forms and surveys to gather information on customer satisfaction and service quality. This is fully customizable form, which can be embedded to your website and shared via email with responses automatically stored in Zoho CRM for easy analytics. For example, one of the cases we use it, we send out every month to our customers that are recurring, that are acquired. There should be like three main things hit. The conditions: customer must be active, acquired, and recurring. And then every month we will send them an email survey saying, one page, like super cool, and it is very responsive on the phone as well. And this is how we stay in touch of our customers. The other instances, I've used it to generate surveys. Sometimes we were at a trade show, I download the offline version and people can just sign on a tablet, and then when you come, it syncs up, so you get all the information. You can create a contact us form, you can create a lead capture form, so you can create so many things with Zoho Forms. One more other tool that I like from Zoho is Zoho Bookings, and that streamlines appointment scheduling for your cleaning business. Clients can now easily book services through an online partner, reducing the need for back and forth, and they like it. Zoho Bookings integrates with Zoho CRM, ensuring all client information and appointment details are synchronized. This tool helps you manage your schedule efficiently and improves the booking experience for your clients. Like literally what you can do is you can send them a link, is like, here's my walkthrough availability, and the customer picks it and then they put the address where they want you to come, which is great. Another thing is you don't have to pay a separate software such as Bookings, Bookly, and etc. There's quite a few of them out there. But one thing, and it integrates, it's great. You put your availability, for example, what it does also, it syncs with my Google. Sometimes I open on the fly my Google and put a calendar like lunch at my house, dinner at my friends, walk through, right, whatever, or vacation, and it syncs back with Zoho as well. Next time when person goes to put their, to pick a time for me, then it will show that I'm not available. I can also create buffer times. I've got give me a 15-minute buffer time between the meetings and 30 minutes cool down, for example, so I can follow up with people. Because if I had a call with you and I promised something, as soon as I hang up, I want to get it out. Like using the Dave Allen's 2-minute rule, I want to get it out, then I want to cool off, then I might want to use a bathroom, grab water, right? Whatnot. So therefore, you can create those things, and you can create this for your team members as well. That is my case. I mean, I've got it for myself and for my team members, and we love that. The other thing is Zoho has Zoho Books, which helps keep track of finances by managing expenses, tracking income, and creating invoices. What you can do is connect your bank accounts to reconcile transactions every month. If you're not doing it, you should be doing it. Seriously, like when you get audited, for your tax deductions and audit purposes, it is really important that you do this, but it helps you to match the transactions, code them to specific transactions, create customized invoices with your branding, send them directly to the clients, and set up recurring invoices and payments, reminders to ensure that people get paid on time, right? Detailed financial reports can help you understand your business's financial health and make informed decisions. You can also achieve the same thing with QuickBooks Online. In my case, I'm using QuickBooks Online, which I did not have to, quite frankly. But QuickBooks Online came out first. I hopped into a software which was cloud-based. Now my CPA, my bookkeeper, myself, everybody's used to it. It went out astronomically cost-wise, but we can do, right? It's a cost of doing business. So now we kind of stuck to it. So therefore, if you are new or did not yet set up your software, consider going with Zoho Books. I mean, there aren't many things in a cleaning business that you will need as a business owner that Zoho Books doesn't offer, which QuickBooks does. So when I was in a home improvement, we needed to do the phase development, specific cost coding to job, put the supplies to a particular job, break them down by phases. It was more complex accounting. So therefore we needed that. But in this case, hey, if you're a cleaning business owner, if I were to start it again, I would go with Zoho Books. But let's talk about QuickBooks as well. QBO, which is QuickBooks Online, offers comprehensive accounting features, which includes invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll management. It also integrates with your bank accounts to reconcile, same like Zoho does, create detailed financial reports and understand your business's financial health, and send professional invoices with payments reminders to ensure your payments. And you can do the same thing with Zoho Books as well. You just say, keep reminding, but you can also add like taxes if taxable, right? You can also put the processing fees. You can tell every so often if the customer is late, remind them, and then different layers of emails saying like, look, you know, we're gonna go serious. First you're friendly, then you're more serious, then you're more serious, and like now if you don't pay, I'm gonna go, you know, hostile because I have to sue somebody because I did work and you didn't pay me. So stuff like that, most of this can be automated. Gusto is super important for your payroll, and which, because if not, managing payroll is challenging. Like you have to pay taxes, right? For at least different taxes, and then payroll hours, depending upon how you negotiated your terms with your employees, meaning some pay like the one fixed rate, but make sure when it's broken down, the amount of hours expected is not less than a minimum, because if it's less than a minimum that's state, you open up a can of worms for being sued, and this is bad. It can turn in really bad if you pay somebody minimum hours. So something like Gusto can help you prevent the payroll mistakes, but also they take care of the taxes with different agencies and you don't have to worry about it, because otherwise it's tricky. The payroll software allows you to process payroll, right? Manage the benefits and handle tax filings. It also ensures your employees are paid accurately and on time, like minimizing the potential litigations. Gusto it's user-friendly. It integrates and set up, manage your payroll, and you can also provide your employees with access to their portals with basically pay stubs, tax documents, reducing admin work back and forth, and it's trackable because it's digital. And with Gusto, you can streamline your payroll process and focus on growing your business more. Do I personally use Gusto? My company does. Our CPA put us on Gusto. My bookkeeper seemed to like it. I also have an affiliate link for Gusto, which will give you $100 just to try them out when you sign up. And if you do that, I will get a referral fee from them as well. So thank you for doing that should you decide to use any of the affiliate links that are in a description down below. Let's talk about the inventory upkeep. For cleaning companies, handling inventory is a big thing, right? Because inventory walks, inventory breaks, we forget inventory, we take it to different job sites and then we forget about it. For that, you can use the inventory, which is Zoho Inventory, and it can help you track stock levels, manage orders, and streamline inventory processes. You can set up alerts for low stock levels and avoid running out of supplies. It also integrates with Zoho apps. Managing inventory alongside other business processes now becomes much easier. Detailed reports will help you understand inventory usage and make informed purchasing decisions. So those are like super important things, especially if you're running it remote. You want to know this. Let's talk about the specific for remote, and that would be a hiring and training software. You could use software like Zoho Bookings for interviews and training sessions, which will ensure that you can hire and train cleaners remotely. You will be able to schedule and conduct video calls via potential hires through Zoho Meetings and provide training materials through platforms like Google Drive or Zoho Documents. This approach consolidates your software usage, adding the value without requiring additional subscriptions. And what you can do when you do it through the Zoho Bookings, you can schedule the calls via Zoom option, but I opt not to pay the additional software if I don't have to. So therefore I go with Google Meet. So it sends out the invite, syncs with your calendar, and everybody have the link, and you can join from your phone or from your computer, whichever is best. Let's talk about maintenance and equipment management. In this case, you can use the Zoho Created to track equipment usage and manage maintenance schedules. Set up custom alerts for regular maintenance checks, and you can ensure that the equipment is always in good condition. For broken equipment, now you have a system in place to report and replace items, although know that Zoho Created takes a little bit of customization. If you don't know how to do that, most of this comes with a support. You can call the Zoho One should you go with Zoho One subscription, or you can hire a freelancer from Upwork or Fiverr. And if you need a referral, let me know. I'll just connect you with the guy who has been helping us for years now. And he's really good at what he does, my way of paying forward. Client walkthroughs, what you can do that is walk through with clients using Zoho bookings, Google Meet, or Zoom for video calls. This allows you to understand client needs and provide accurate quotes without being physically present. Always at least try to get the photos. You know, some things become standard and you know the price, but if you have literally a photo, then you can see the conditions, because you know, kitchen to kitchen is different, bathroom to bathroom is different. I've walked into some that were like super clean. It looks like the homeowner cleaned it before I showed up, but I also walked into some that were messy, like literally destructive. It took me like a ton of elbow grease. And you guys are cleaners, you know how much time a clean stove versus caked in greasy stove takes. Just a stove time difference can be a lot. So therefore, try to do the video calls. And everybody now post-COVID know how to use the video calls and video conferencing. And if not, get the photo so you can zoom into it. Okay, now let's recap and reinforce it. Using the right tools can transform your remote cleaning business. Zoho CRM helps you manage client relationship and boost sales by centralizing client information and automating tasks. Zoho Sign will simplify contract management by allowing you to send, sign, and store contracts digitally, ensuring legal compliance and saving time. QuickBooks Online, QBO, or Zoho Books will help you streamline your finances with expense tracking, customized invoices, and detailed financial reporting, aiding informed decision making. Google Workspaces, including Gmail, Gdocs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, enhance communication and collaboration, while Google Voice offers reliable phone services, which will make your company look super professional. Well, together, these tools improve efficiency and reduce errors and save time. They help you manage your clients' finances, communication more effectively, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Integrating these tools creates a well-organized and responsive business, providing better service for your clients. And check out the links and descriptions for more detailed information. As promised, here is the pricing. Zoho CRM customer relationship starts at $14 a user a month. Zoho Sign starts at $15 per user per month. QuickBooks Online starts at $25 per user per month. Google Workspaces start at $6 per user per month. Google Voice starts at $10 per user per month. Gusto starts at $39 a month plus $6 per month per person. And Keeper starts at $2.91 per user per month. Implementing these tools will save you time, reduce errors, and help you provide better services for your clients. Remember, when you go to like Zoho One, for $50, you can get the whole package. You don't have to, all the software that I use literally comes into that. So your savings are in hundreds, and synchronization time, implementation time just goes out the door. And remember, it is an online software, which is, it's cloud-based. It's somebody else's responsibility to maintain it. If you are running a remote business, I strongly suggest to opt out from keeping stuff in your local machine, because you're remote, you travel, you can lose it, water can spill, somebody can steal your laptop and all your business is gone. But if you keep it in a cloud-based, all you need is a browser, laptop, tablet, and internet access. So when you start setting up Zoho CRM for your client management, create a test client and explore the features we discussed today. So that's something that you can do today. Just see if you like it, and check out the links in the description for more detailed tutorials and start transforming your cleaning business. If you want to open a regular business, not a remote, then you might want to check out this video where I talk about how to properly start a cleaning services company in the year of 2024. See you inside of this video. Thanks for now, and keep on crushing your businesses.